What's up guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. I know it's been a long time since I've been doing these type of videos, which is live trading or trading recaps, but recently I've been trading with my older brother and he likes to trade gold with volume profile, the same strategy that I was doing before, and he trades really good on gold more than me because most of my trades were on NQ, but he trades gold, and of course gold and Nasdaq are two different animals. He trades better than me on gold and he really have a lot of good precise trades. And I've been learning a lot from him, and I just want to let you know that today we caught a really big move of 13.4 points on gold. And if you guys don't know, because gold's is really small increments, so if you go from 33.80 to 33.81 even, that's 1 point, which is equivalent. If you want to compare it to Nasdaq, that's literally $10 movement on Nasdaq. So 1 point here equal to 10 points on Nasdaq. And as you can see here, we caught 13.4 points in one trade. This was a massive trade. Our stop loss is usually really small, usually 2.5, which is $25 if you're talking about Nasdaq. Same thing here. Gold is really good and he trades it pretty well, and today we caught 13.4, which is like 134 points on Nasdaq, which here is 13.4. Anyways, I'm gonna go through the past 3 days of trading and I'll show you all the trades that we took, all the losses, all the wins, and how we kind of took it with the volume profile, and I'll show you how to draw the volume profile. And expect a lot of other videos coming up on educating you on how to trade the gold market using the volume profile and VWAP, which is that red line you see right here. Also expect us to go live and trade in front of you live and with you guys and showing you the exact same trades. We're not going to be like the other gurus that like to trade on paper tradings. No, we actually going to trade live in front of you and giving you the trades that we take pretty soon here, so stay tuned. We're gonna do that on my Discord, same as the channel here. You're gonna find it linked down in the description below, so make sure to join in the Discord. I know it's a bit dead in the Discord lately because I haven't been posting anything there, but make sure to join the Discord and stay tuned because we're gonna go live on Discord and trading live with you guys. So anyways, enough of that. Right now I want to show you how to draw the volume profile. I usually draw it from the 9:25 up until 4 p.m. and all of those times are EST, New York times. And you're gonna see here under should be the same one right here, so that same icon that has the long and the short position, and you're gonna see it right here, the fixed range volume profile. You draw it from here and you drag it to 4 p.m. EST, and it gives you those shaded areas pretty much. So if I remove those, you have this shaded area, the top shaded area, it ends right here, and the bottom shaded area, it ends right there. That area, or you can put a line here and call it a value area low. This is point of control and this is value area high, and I did explain this like a long time ago when I used to trade gold, but I'll re-explain it again. The point of control is the area where the most amount of transactions are transacted in this area. The value area high is pretty much the high of this range, and the value area low is the bottom lower of this range, and we have them right here. So pretty much what I'm looking for, what we're looking for from these areas is if the price, let's say for example, if it's coming like down here and lower, going lower. So if it's going lower and approaching this value area low, we should be expecting like a pump up, should be expecting this area to react as support and this to react as resistance. This value area low, value area high, and point of control is pretty much like support and resistance depending on where the price is coming from. So if it's coming from the top here and going lower, it will react from the point of control here, and if it's initially going lower or eventually going lower, is going to go lower to maybe value area low. If it breaks it here, you should be expecting to react from this same area to be resistance and go lower. But anyway, that's not what we're looking here for. I'm not going to give you a lot of stuff on this topic. I'm here to show you like quick examples or quick recaps of the trades that we took. The first trade that we took here, and also guys, we don't trade any mechanical strategy. We trade solely on the behavior of the 4-hour candle and how it's doing. So it starts to open from 6 p.m. EST and it starts to do other bunch of stuff. And it's kind of very similar to the power of 3 on the Nasdaq, the 10 a.m. 4-hour candle. So as you can see here, it came lower below the 4 hours. So the 4 hours up here, it was green, and then when it flipped bearish, we tried to take short. It did go short. It went to the point of control, and as I was saying, because the price was up, approaching this area will react to be a support area, and that's what it did, and it just shot all the way up again. And that's why you should be looking at these areas, and that's why it's really important. And we trade based on the 4-hour candle behavior, volume profile, and the VWAP, which is pretty awesome, and it's been giving us a really good result. And I can show you my live executions and my live trades, so I'll try to make it really quick here. This is the second trade we took, which is the actual winning trade. After it flipped back green from bearish to green, we tried to look for making a new high, and that's why we took this trade. Really awesome trade, really amazing trade. If you wanted the live execution, it is right here. So this is the trade from today. This is the short bearish trade idea that we took, and the price dumped, but unfortunately reacted from the point of control. At the time, we lifted the stop loss as is, and we did get stopped out. But this is the second trade and the last trade. As you can see on the right here, I have another evaluation with Tradeify, 150k from Tradeify that I'm trading with, and I've banked a big on it. I've made like $4,000 on it here, and on Top Step X I made $1,000 on each account, and I have like 5 accounts, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, this is the trade we took. Live execution, no BS. I tried to be a bit greedy, and I kept pushing the take profit here, but as well as trailing the stop loss, which is pretty important. At the end of the day, it did give me 13.4, which is what I banked today. Yesterday, really fast, really quick. I'm not gonna go over like really deeply like what we did. Yesterday was pretty good and straightforward day, and it was really amazing. And it was really straightforward. Why? Because look at this. This is the open of the 4-hour. This is the 3 lines right here. This is value area high. This is point of control. This is value area low. And this is the trade we took, but we put it at break even right away, and it didn't go to it. And this is the live execution. It went to that target. As you can see, I don't want to play the whole video, but this is the trade. You can see our stop loss was 2.5, and we targeted right here, just below the point of control, and it gave us the profit right away, which was really awesome and really good. And I want to show you guys the last trade trading day right here, which was unfortunately a loss. 2 trades that we took here. Again, drawing that 4-hour, candle opening. We had a very big opening or big gap here. We went up here to a bearish 4-hour candle or 4-hour fair value gap. This was a 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So this was the trading day here, you see. And then when it went up back here again, we thought that it was gonna go long. It was gonna go up to the upside and make a new high. That's when we decided to take a buy. It right away flipped on us, and then when it flipped on us, we tried to take, I believe, a short, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a short to the gap, to the opening gap, and unfortunately it wasn't good. And that was it for that day. 2 losses and we're out. And as you can see here, this is the personal daily loss that I have set for myself. We usually take 2 trades. Allow yourself for 2 ideas. If it works, it works. From the first time, if it works, then we're out, we're done. Or if the first trade was a break even, we can try for another one. If the trade was a loss, you can try for another idea, and we're of course not jumping in right away. We're not FOMOing in, none of that stuff, based on complete analysis. And my older brother is really good with gold. You guys, if you would like to trade with us live, stay tuned. Make sure to join the Discord. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to trade with us live on Discord. Let me know down in the comments below, and I'll let him know, and I'll try to convince him to come trade with us live. But that's pretty much it. I'll keep you updated on those accounts that I have, those combines, and I'll let you know whenever I pass them. But that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the new videos that I'm going to upload. And don't forget to join the Discord, link in the description below. So whenever we do the live trading with my older brother, you guys can join in and take some free value from it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.